Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It is December 12th, Monday, when I'm recording this, and it's just a few minutes before the open. So what's going on? Basically, the market seems to be waiting for more information. We have come up into this resistance line that we have up and through here, plus we came up into the daily 200, and we're expecting a pullback from here. Now, the real question is that we have a CPI that comes in tomorrow, and then we have the FOMC that comes in on Wednesday. So today could be basically a nothing day as everybody's just holding their breath and waiting for this information, this data. So I would be careful about that. If you're a day trader, just realize that today may not really move much. Same thing tomorrow may not move much until the CPI number comes out, which comes out before the open. And so we're going to have a lot of economic data that comes out, and then we have the Fed that is going to guide us, and we're going to, everybody's going to be nitpicking their report, looking for every little change and every little word that comes out to see what's going on. Now, we are expecting a 50 basis point rate hike since they did say that they're going to be slowing the rate of increases. I think the question is, what is the target rate going to be, though? Are they going to raise it higher than originally thought, which might mean they might do a few 50-point raises as opposed to one, and they might also do a few 25-point raises instead of just one. So yeah, we are looking for that kind of situation, and we're right here between the 200 and the 50. What's going to happen? I would typically think that we're going to come down to the 50, but I don't really want to be playing that game right in front of this economic data. Once it comes out, hey, we can day trade it. But after that, I just don't really want to be doing too much because the market has just gone every which way with these reports. I think we had a CPI report that opened with a gap down, and that started the big move up. We had FOMC here that went up and then went down. Then we had Jerome Powell, his some speech that went up and looked like it was going to hold and then rolled over. So, it's just a lot of information that's coming out with this news that I don't really want to be stepping in front of. Today, the market's up just slightly as it seems to be holding the hourly 200 for now. We'll just have to see how long that ends up being strength. If in an ideal world, if I were looking at this, I would say, yeah, it's going to hold that, move up a little bit, run into, say, the hourly 50, and then move down. And my next target would be the daily 50. But again, we've got some big news coming up in the way that might lead it there on its own or might not. And so I'm just going to be kind of holding off and waiting a little bit to see the trajectory of what this news stuff does out there. All right, everyone, thanks again, and we'll see you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis.